Turkey. So make a G and point down, or you can make a Q. Put it right here on your chin. Turkey. Turkey. Chicken. So the sign for bird is this, chicken, which you can also use for chicken, and depending on the context of the sentence, you'll know whether or not somebody's talking about a bird or chicken. So you're just going to make an L, and your thumb and pointer finger on your dominant or right hand will touch your mouth like this, okay? So this is one variation for chicken. The second one is chicken. So it's like bird pecking on the ground, because you know how chickens peck on the ground and look for things to eat. Chicken. Chicken or chicken. Bird. So you're going to have your thumb and index finger coming together like the number 20, but put your hand to your mouth. Bird. Bird. Duck. So you're going to make a 3, close it, and do this. The sign for no is this, but this is duck when it's right here in front of your mouth. Duck. Duck. Ostrich. So this is the English signed version. In ASL, you will just spell it out. So for the sign, you're going to make an O, like a hole in the ground. Have that just in front of you, and this is my left hand, my non-dominant hand. With my right hand, my dominant hand, I'm going to make like an and sign, and then I'm going to come up and put it in the hole, like ostrich puts their head in the hole in the ground. Ostrich. Ostrich. Penguin. So you're going to have your hands in closed fives down next to you, and you may want to do your arms a little bit further down. I just want to make sure you can see what I'm doing. And then you just waddle. Penguin.